Saxwal car trunk voice control module is an easy installation product. Normally, it takes less than 20 minutes. Please view this video before installation. Let's show you all accessories and corresponding sockets. 1. Main control box. 2. Control wire. 3. Power cord. 4. Extend cord. 5. Microphones. 6. Buzzer. 7. Clips. This is control wire socket. This is buzzer socket. There are microphone sockets. Next, we show you the installation procedure. 1. At first, you need to remove the car trunk cover. 2. Second, find the car trunk open and close control terminal, then connected with control wire. The control wires are respectively marked the open control wire and close control wire. Car trunk open and close control terminals are respectively at the trunk handle and the location of the close keys. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage of the terminal of handle and the close key. It usually is 3.3 to 12 volts of electricity. Measure it and press the key, and the car trunk will corresponding action at the same time. The voltage change is 0 also. Now, you distinguish the open and close control terminal, connected with our control wires respectively. 3. Next, find power B plus 12 volts and GND in the car fuse box, then connected with power cord. If the power cord is not long enough, use the extend cord. Use a multimeter to confirm connected power voltage is higher than 11.8 volts. Step 4. Fix 2 microphones besides the license plate lamp position. The best effective distance of microphone suggested is between 7.88 to 11.8 inches. Then pass the microphone wire into the car trunk from the license plate lamp cap. Step 5. Insert all accessories to the main control box. Step 6. Now you can test whether it can work. The buzzer will make a drop sound after electrifying, indicating that the voice control module has started successfully. Stand at the rear of the car and shout command to test if the car trunk can work well. You can stand at the rear of the car and shout command in English. Hello, my car. When you hear 2 short feedback beeps from the buzzer, that means controller acceptance of the wake-up command. And then you need shout again within 5 seconds, open the trunk or close the trunk. If more than 5 seconds, after the beeper drops a sound, you need to wake up the speech controller again to control the car trunk. Repeatedly test 3 times and confirm it works well. Step 7. Use 3M double-sides glue to fix the control box and buzzer to the appropriate position. Step 8. Restore the cover parts of the car trunk and complete the installation.